In this video, I will show you a platform that pays you to answer questions. You can earn up to $30 for every question you answer correctly. This is a good and legitimate way to make money online without investing anything. So you may want to watch this video to the end because you might just be lucky to make something out from this platform. This platform pays you depending on your location. If you're in Nigeria, it will pay you in Naira. If you're in US, it will pay you in dollars. If you're in Ghana, it will pay you in Ghana cedis, just like that. So you can actually use this platform no matter wherever you are in the world. Before I continue, you are welcome to my channel if you're seeing it for the first time. My name is Stacy, and more often than not, I talk about different ways to make money online legitimately. If you love this type of content, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification bell as to get notified anytime I upload a new video about how to make money online, either through Amazon KDP or through other online sources. Now, I want you to know that this platform is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Like, you don't expect to just start using this platform and you make all the money there is to make in it. No, you have to put in the work. You have to also know that you will want to wait till a certain question comes to you, because they recommend questions to you depending on your location and your environment. Once you sign up through cookies, they will collect certain data from you to be able to recommend questions you can answer. When you answer these questions correctly, you will earn for every single question. Apart from answering questions, there are other ways you can earn from this platform. You can earn by playing games associated to this platform. You should know that all these platforms, they are into partnership, they are into business. So other app might come to them to advertise their app. Other games app will come to advertise their own app on their platform. And when you play these games associated on their platform, you earn them too. They will get paid for advertising this game app. So you can actually earn through playing games from this app, apart from answering questions. So I'll be showing you how to download, install, and how to maximize your earnings from this app. I'll show you that using my phone screen. The first thing to do is to go to your App Store or your Play Store, type Multipools, download it, and install it. When you download it, it will bring you to this interface. Welcome, sign up. Then you either sign up with your Google email or a different email. Sign up, then turn on notification, which is optional, but it is good you turn on notification so that you get notified each time they have a survey for you. So when you it will bring you to this interface. This is the interface for the survey, different questions with the amount to be earned attached to each question. And when you click on the question, you will see the minutes you have to answer the question. And when you answer it correctly, you will earn the amount attached to the question. For this particular question, you have like 1 minute to answer it. And when you answer it within that 1 minute, you earn this amount attached to it. So these are the questions you will need to answer within 1 minute to be able to earn this amount. Before you answer any question, ensure you read it very well to be able to provide an accurate answer to that question. That will determine whether you will earn the amount or not. So I'm done with that particular question. Another survey is up for me to answer, a different amount attached to it with different time duration. So after answering this question, I will earn, as I will keep earning for each survey provided for me. So depending on your location, that determines what kind of question that will be asked that you can see and answer. And when you answer it, you keep earning until you exhaust the question that is available for you. Once you exhaust the questions available for you, you have to wait for more questions to come your way so that you can answer and earn. That's one of the ways you can earn on this platform, by answering questions that survey. There are other ways you can earn. Another way you can earn is through playing games. Play and earn. There are games that are attached to this platform. Like I said earlier, all these apps, they are into business. Other app will come to their platform to advertise just to pay them. Them too, they will give opportunity for people like you and I to play these games and also earn money from them. So each game you download and play, you will be earning. That is the second way you can earn from this platform. Apart from answering questions, you can earn by playing games. These are different games available on the platform. Once you activate a new one, you play it, download it, play it, and you earn. That's how you keep earning. As you can see from the analysis, they've paid out $1.8 million in the last 12 months from people who play these games and answer survey questions. So people are actually earning from this platform. Another way you can earn is through referral. When people join using your referral code, you earn 10% from every amount they cash out from this platform. So referral is the third way you can earn from this app. The next and most important part is cash out, because that's what people are interested, whether they can cash out after playing the games. Well, the way you can cash out is through PayPal, and they have threshold of 18,000 naira. If you're earning in naira, 18,000 naira, until you get to that 18,000 naira, that's when you can cash out through PayPal, and they pay you the equivalent of 18,000 naira in dollars. That's how to cash out. So let's see what people are talking about this app, people that have used it in recent times. So this person has used it. The person said this money making platform is genuine. We just need to collect points until we reach the required amount. I have redeemed 2 times from this platform. It's just that the points for each survey are quite small, and sometimes we don't qualify for a certain survey, causing it to make months for us to reach the required amount. Regardless, this platform is best for those looking for extra cash. I really like this platform. I still give it 5 stars. So this person is saying that she or he has redeemed 2 times. So you can actually see that people can cash out. Another person said it is a good app to make extra money. However, I find it hard to complete survey from my location because it comes in the native language I don't understand. I had to use a translator to complete the survey. There is also limitation on eligibility on the kind of survey available sometimes. Thankfully, I get to make up to the earnings real quick playing the games connected to the app, and I won't stop playing it. Cash out is real. I just received my gift card today. Download and start, and so you can actually receive cash out from this app. So a lot of beautiful review about this app. You too can download it, install it, and earn from it. All right, that will be all for this particular app. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.